Hi there, this is Ryan with H&H doing a quick video on setting up for planting. We go ahead and choose our planting icon on the main screen, and our configuration is already set up. If not, we'd have to go in here and either modify some of the settings there or create a new configuration on the setup page here. But since we already have something, we'll go to planting, it drops it down, it's set up, everything's a green check, so it means it's good to go. We'll right arrow, it already selected our field because we're already in the field. These are what we're planting for products, our hybrids. Controlling products is seeds and gallons. And here we'll come up with our field notes if we want to take some, which we do here for or we can X out of it for a later date. For this instance, we have a prescription for this field. A couple ways of doing it. We're going to use the Agfinity cloud to do it with. So we'll go into our rate control settings by hitting the wrench on our product and hitting the RX. And now it's going to go find what we have for prescriptions there on the cloud. Or if we have USB drives, they'll be listed there as well. And there's our products, or our prescription, I'm sorry, our prescription for that. And we're going to use it with all Planet products right now. So go ahead and import that. And this is a modified prescription on the import side. So we can scale it up or down depending on how the crop year is going. For our example, we're just going to leave it alone though. But it will let us know how many seeds are going to be planted from the original to the adjusted, and the average rate as well. Now you'll see our RX is highlighted there under our products, and we are ready to go ahead and start the field and plant. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you for watching.